So hi friends, good evening. So welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So I am Manju here, and today I am going to discuss with you some most important questions and answers in Oracle SQL. So kindly watch the video, complete video. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to SQL Master YouTube channel so that it's most important for me to make more and more videos. Okay, so let us move to the slides what I made here. So this is what the thing here, what I collected the questions and answers here. So we discuss on those questions and answers. So first question is, what is primary key in Oracle? So a primary key is a column or set of columns in a table that uniquely identifies each row in the table. It ensures that there are no duplicate rows in the table, and it is used to enforce data integrity. Okay, so coming to next question. What is a foreign key in Oracle? A foreign key is a column of or a set of columns in a table that refers to the primary key of the another table. It establishes a relationship between two tables, and it is used to enforce referential integrity. So it is called as the relationship between foreign key and primary key is called as referential integration. So what is the view in Oracle? A view is a virtual table that is based on the result set of a select statement. It is not a physical table, but rather a logical representation of data from one or more tables. So security purpose we use views here. Okay, so just we are not going to deliver the physical data to persons, to others. Just they can view the data. They cannot change or modify. Okay. So moving to next one. What is a subquery in Oracle? A subquery is a select statement that is embedded within another select or insert, update or delete statement. So it is used to retrieve data from one or more tables that will be used in the main query. So what is a stored procedure in Oracle? A stored procedure is named a set of SQL statements that are stored in database and that can be executed repeatedly. So it is used to encapsulate complex business logic and can be called from one SQL statements, applications or programming languages. So moving to next slide. What is a trigger in Oracle? A trigger is a named PL/SQL block that is executed automatically in response to specific events such as insert, update or delete operations on a table. It is used to enforce business rules and maintain data integrity. So what is normalization in Oracle? A normalization is the process of organizing the data in a database to reduce redundancy and dependency. So it involves breaking down a table into smaller tables and establishing relationships between them to eliminate data duplication and improve data quality and data integrity. So what is indexing in Oracle? So indexing is the process of creating data structure that allows for faster retrieval of data from a database. So it involves creating an index on one or more columns of a data table to speed up the queries that use those columns. So for example, you can see, you can observe that initial days, okay, or else you just consider one notebook that you want particular topic in one notebook. Okay, so if you go on searching the pages, it will take more time. So if you maintained at the start page of index, okay, so you can see the page number and just retrieve those data, whichever particular data which you can find on page. So that's what the concept of index. So what is Oracle SQL Developer? So Oracle SQL Developer is a free integrated development environment, IDE, for Oracle database that allows developers to browse, create and modify database objects and execute SQL statements and scripts. So what is a sequence in Oracle? A sequence is an object in Oracle that generates a sequence of unique numbers when called. It is often used to generate primary key values for a table. So moving to next slide here. What is the difference between a unique constraint and a primary key in Oracle? Both unique constraint and a primary key ensure that each of row in table has a unique value for specified column or set of columns. The main difference is that primary key cannot have null values while a unique constant can have null values. So what is a cursor in Oracle? A cursor is named PLSQL object that allows developers to manipulate data retrieved from a select statement row by row. It provides pointer to specific row in a result set. So what is the difference between join and subquery in Oracle? A join is used to combine data from two or more tables based on related column, while a subquery is used to retrieve data from one or more tables that will be used in the main query. A join returns a result set that combines columns from the tables being joined, while a subquery returns result set that is used to filter the main query. So these are what the difference between join and subqueries. So moving to next question, what is the difference between synonym and an alias in Oracle? So synonym is an alternative name for an object in database, while an alias is temporary name for table or column used in SQL statement. A synonym is a permanent object that can be used by multiple users, while an alias is used only within the context of a specific SQL statement. So moving to next question, what is a pivot table in Oracle? A pivot table is a query that transforms rows into columns, so and columns into rows. It is often used to summarize the data and perform aggregation functions here. So this is what the pivot table. So moving to next questions here, what is partitioning in Oracle? Partitioning is the process of dividing large table into smaller, more manageable pieces called partitions. It can be improved performance, simply maintenance, and reduce storage requirements by allowing data to be stored, accessed more efficiently. So next question is, what is the difference between full outer join and union in Oracle? A full outer join returns all rows from both the tables being joined, including those that do not have a match in the other table, while union combines the result set of two or more select statements into single result set. A full outer join includes columns from both the tables being joined, while a union requires that select statements being combined have the same number and data types of columns. So these are some very important questions what I discussed here in this video. So kindly go through the video and watch complete video. You will get more and more knowledge and some small points also. Okay, so that what my intensity is. So I will be with you in my next videos with some more query concept or Informatica tutorials. So till that, bye bye friends, have a nice day, take care friends.